Aren't doctors fair enough, really? Pay all interns and senior house officers the 2.5 million shillings with immediate effect. And pay all senior house officers both in private and public universities. We have only 40% coverage of human resource in the health sector. We have 1,834 doctors. That is senior consultants, medical officers, special grade medical officers who are employed by government. Yet we need 4,800 doctors, meaning the work which is meant to be done by 4 doctors is done by 1. It's the absolute reason why patients go to hospitals and they stay in a line, waiting line, because there's only 1 doctor in a health center, 1 doctor in the OPD, 1 doctor in a ward to see all the 200 patients per day. And remember, diseases do not read books, meaning patients present differently. This that we are doing involves brain work and involves physicality. So the question is, we are saying, why can't government fill up these 60% vacancies of doctors? Is the Ministry of Health really doing that responsibility?
They should resign.
How can you return over 80 billion shillings meant to recruit doctors in the hospitals, and yet we have few doctors to help our sick Ugandans, to help the Ugandans? So who is failing who?
Director General resigned.
So what we are saying,
You should resign! You should resign! Resign!
that is the voice from the doctors. And it's clear they're saying the Director General who has failed to see the full implementation of the HR policy
Should resign.
and the resource allocation
Should
to the different hospitals. Should do what?
Resign.
Should do what?
Resign.
A resignation what? Enough is
Enough!
enough is
Enough!
We cannot keep losing doctors on motorcycles. Enough is
Enough!
We cannot keep losing patients because of doctors coming late. Enough is
Enough!
We cannot see patients travel long distances to look for doctors. Enough is
Enough!
This ends now. Presidential,
Never say out!
Out!
Never say out! Out!
presidential directive to increase pay for medical interns and SHOs has been clear. This has no negotiation. And I pass a message to the Director General who wrote a letter to evict our interns from their places of residence, who have tirelessly worked amidst very meager and miserable conditions, that he should retract that letter with immediate effect. And no intern, I repeat, no intern in any government facility should leave those facilities. Yes. All interns remain where you are. If the government fails to do this, we have a court injunction prepared with immediate effect with our lawyers to make sure that this uncouth treatment of doctors ends. We are not going to bow down to unfair treatment of our dear colleagues. Interns are not students. I repeat, interns are not students.
Interns are not students!
These are already trained medical doctors, nurses, midwives, pharmacists, dental surgeons, who have graduated from that different universities, and they are working under supervision of the senior colleagues for that 1 year, so that they can be deployed to give a service with a 1 year experience. Is that still a student? No. Minister of Health, stop treating interns like students.
Because they are not students.
Interns are not students.
Interns are not students!
On the same note, no pre-intern is meant to step in any government facility
No step in the government facility!
until all the issues of the current interns has been resolved and they have been signed out. They've completed their 1 year placement. So no interns, I repeat, on national TV, no pre-intern. I repeat, no pre-intern is made to report to the duty station. All pre-interns remain at home until your predecessors are done with internship. The purpose of the taxi vehicles is
Ogwe nabamweta Dr. Samuel Oredo, the current president of Uganda Medical Association. Hanuya studio twineho Dr. Kano Munyabiragiro aroho Amon. Mugenzi wa Dr. Amure. Na bagenzi be ba Dr. Nyuma. Nabagama mweno shutininga abana bishomero, and this is not common. Kintu cyaburisho.
Webale Mnonga Vincent ya namureba president wa Uganda Medical Association Odong Samuel Oledo nagamsamani kandi kinkumusimaho ni solidarity ituri tureba strikeage no manya buriya kana bagize nti strike kegiya association name ya Uganda Medical Association konkati tureba solidarity tureba aba Uganda Dental Association abamino nabo bahandikire government bagira nabo baza kwatanisana n'aba Uganda Medical Association ba striking twareba ba Uganda Nurses and Midwives Union nabo bahandikire aba government ya Uganda nabo bakujoininga bariya aba Uganda Medical Association ba striking ate ikintu kiretwa ahabwa suspension letter ya Director General of Health Services Mwebesa Henry yahandikire ari suspending aba interns so hati nkabashaho bona solidarity ninge kwatanise gitkureba niyo yargamu response ya government aba ningira amwachi following ngo Minister of State wa Finance Henry Musasizi yagira ngo sente za aba interns yazi releasinga so ishayo nashimwe kubana za account yabo konkicha leta solidarity ya letarho in the past ba doctor bakabana ba zo mu industrial action ninga bazomu ngakeshari ngobonka konkati tware ba doctor ba kwatansana naba shawa mino ba kwatansana ba nansi ba kwatansana naba intani so hati health care system nawaza munago abarwire bambagenda batarebere bashaho at government yemunegeza ibintu birumune bishobaho nico kureba esente ezi pledge ninga directive ya president ya 2019 yaba realized there is over abukuba Minister of State for Health Minister of State for Finance ya confirminga ize sente kizaba released to Ministry of Health kubasa kwibwa ba intern so ekichareto solidarity ninge kwatanisa ya different stakeholders baba shaho abanansi aba dentists ba pharmacists na ba doctor bona ba kwatanisa so ministry yareba yabibahandikire ngo barge especially ba intern zabo ngo barge omazugabo abatacyenda kuhereza mpaka sente zizire yareba ngo tukikuza gukora avukuba solidarity yagarkaho yabashahi yabetaho kare ya iba bakavina union ya mbeta Uganda Medical Workers Union bataka splitting into smaller unions kandi hemwe ekereta bashaho bona oshanga banansi ba allied health professionals ba pharmacists ba dentists bona bari under one union.
Excuse me Amon ona no tega dango cyo tushagabiro kirigiraho buzungu koko rero no gama ngo akareke bagita bona abo kwa noro mu rujungu bajya ngo united we stand divided we fall obwiro hari ikigambe cyo bakira ko some politics cyo kweta divide and rule kugira ngo babagansa obakora obukuku ato obategekaje abo kwa atuwanongira ngo no mushaho wa mino tuntuba mabona ka ba doctor matches ni baba ari mu field detection uguno wa mino ugunoha hati echkuretera baza kwesharinga hakagira ka group kakesharinga abantu bakasigara inyuma najya mu cicagabirwe kibatira hansi ngo kuwagamba kugira ngo ubona kubaye gita hati batandika ku realizing fruits zo kwesharinga. I think that's how it should have been from the start. And na wano warebo mbashomesa I think hato go muzoguriyo n'urugo mbashaho hatuguriyo n'ugutandika bashomesa aho kuba original level unit when you no shota basanze bakiyamwe cyabo ati nyabanje manza ngo muza kufiyo bwire baje ngo ntesaringa aba ati abasanzwe bazomukirasi. And that is I think a problem.
Yeah, true. That's the problem. Niyo problem ita twine nicho kurebera abashaho batambe sharinga na mnonga ba Uganda Medical Association results zitakwiza so easily. Konka hatkaba mu solidarity ningi kwatansa yabona all associations na unions z'abashaho. So government ya responding. Esente ezibirenze gira ngo niza kwiza next financial year zari raisingwa kandi za kuzam ahanshaho mu account zaba intani. So cyane solidarity ya all unions z'abashaho ira kunawe nabagambire twatwine union yemu y'abashaho ya Uganda Medical Workers Union ekerumu ba doctors erimu aba nurse erimu aba dentists erimu ba allied health professionals erimu ba pharmacists konkeji haba mu spirits haba mu groups aba doctor ba Korea ya Uganda Medical Association aba nurse ba Korea ya Uganda Nurses and Midwives Union aba pharmacy ba Korea Pharmaceutical Society ya Uganda. So atkaza mu groups buri group evene striking ayonka itakufuna nkwatanisa na zindi groups konkati twareva groups zona za kwatanisa twareva nkaba ba intern aba mnonga aba kufa mnonga abataka jiro mu intern bonka bahandikira amarwaro gona na director wa health service iftura reporting mutaka herize ba seniors bitu abakora intern bataka herize kurwa mbakora tugaraka turi groups zona zikuhandikira director wa health service ngustura kora ikintu cyona mutaka addressing the issues zaba interns. So solidarity yo yabasya aha pointage yo kushango sente zabo za kushashurwa with immediate effect na directive ya director general health service kugira ngo barguma rwaro bargum stations zo bakoramu intekateka neza kuba reversed abakuba esente za social za
kushashurwa amon harabo kugira why only doctors abakuba abantu banduka lawyers ikirunjo muri na nabashomesa bokuba abantu bahendera atino ngo abashomesa bakora bagita teaching practice then lawyers nabo bino bo bwire bakuba barya hero
RDC
boka batakushashurwa. Why should it be done to people in one class abandi bakasigara bari abo nkitakuba general kugira ngo umuntu yabahereze kushoma hino bwiro bwakwa na practicing because now atwantu baza kushashura medical interns are we not going to reach a moment of turareve na lawyers nabo kuri yo wabona bajyangu nito we deserve something na nabashomesa nawe
over mnonga visit actually twine cadres ibiri za professionals abakora itkweta itakumentweta internship. Okay, bona all courses bakora internship konka bingi nibazikora during the course of their study. Umuntu yana akora course y'emyaka 3 ningena akora intern ari mu mwaka gwa kabiri ningo gwa kashatu konka hati tureba ba doctor na heze myaka 5 acheze myaka 5 azwara ba doctor konka garka zo mwaka akora umwaka gumwe gwa internship ubwo mwaka naba nakora under supervision na guidance ya senior doctor kuba yahereze kare kushoma. So ubwo mwaka actually nakora na shoma fine konka tukujana nazo mu class kushoma na imuko mukasheshe aza ward atandika kora abarwire nubu yabe nareba abarwire under supervision ya doctor kumukiza ningo wahereze kare konka naragura nareba abarwire abandi bakubemba kora ikikubasa kwingana na internship niba lawyer kuba kuheza kushoma bwa lawyer nabo bagumiza mbaza yiba kweta law development center bashoma postgraduate diploma in law konka bo ba lawyer nibamba shoma mbaba batar mu court mbwe mbaba takora bombamba shoma mbiho mukasheshe bakushoma mpaka umwazi bakushoma batakora kugira ngo nibahoreza abantu mu court bombamba shoma ati niyo ntanserho aha ba doctor na ba lawyer we naza kushoma asashura school fees ashoma afuna na qualification ya diploma konka doctor internship ejo nakora nashoma nko umuntu ari gukora abo kuba ubwa doctor buri kintu cyo nicyo kuba no gukora no shoma konka tukugira ngo we nabari inkaroyo waza kushoma waza kushashura fees. So doctor nakora naba ubumwe nubuya binakora under supervision konko umwe hine bya kukora wenka acyenda consultation yo muntu ari kumukiza hamweta konka wazumarwa rumingi umuntu kubandizaho kukuyamba nabari intern doctor so nibakora umurimo gw'amani nico government yashaziremu ngu ebaha akasente nambwe obwire president wa Uganda Medical Association Dr. Samuel Yakigambo omyaka yahwire ya 1990 bakava na appointment letters public service bankaba kozi ba government because mbamba kora that's the truth of the matter
actually na government ya recognizing ngo covid they did a donkey work
true and to be honest abukuba internship turagikoze ntujimanya ba doctor nibabana bakora abako bari intern na kero mukashesha kora bakorana na itechiro nubakuba mbakora imirimo nyingi ogu doctor kuba naba supervising we nareba iwocyo munokora nokikoraje akuhabura ayiwaremwa konkani uri kuba nokora so twareva president wa Uganda Medical Association ari kugira ngo ba interns tuvari students okwega tukwayo buri muntu wene cyo kuba nokora no yega namwe no mwako doctor senior no bano yega konka ba intern surely okushoma degree yabo neba yahwire babire ba doctor naba ya graduate ngira doctor title ya doctor na yagifundi konka internship ejo najikora kugira ngo afune experience kanda azum field akorara gure dena base ku registeringa na Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council koko hezo timyaka 5 yo wa doctor wotakoze internship to ku registeringa na regulatory council ya Medical and Dental Practitioners so no gumur doctor konko tine license yo practicinga obshaho so nico kurebera kuba kuheza bati emyaka 5 baheza kuba ba doctor hati bazumu mwaka gumwe ubwo kora concours supervised umuntu mukuru wahereze kare ari kureba ibyo gukora ari kugaidinga umara umwaka gugumu ukiguheza utije then ubona kuza Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council bakha license hatobera cyumu doctor no basa kore ibintu byingi abuka no bafuna license so nice muzuma ba intern doctors bamba kora
nibaba tarubana bishomera
shuwa baba tarubana bishomera uko imyaka ya baba hereze kushoma mu myaka 5 hati nibaba ry'abakozi abo kuba nibamba kora tibarinka baroya bo ejojo diploma bakushoma baheza imyaka yana yo bwaroya bamba shoma kandi baceza kushoma bafuna qualification ya diploma konka ba intern doctor bomba mbakora bachezo go mwaka taro qualification ngo ni postgraduate yo kufuna kureka no funa license over registered na Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council so ba intern bantu bakora tukaba comparingana na ba lawyer ninga bashomesa abo kuba bo umwaka go no gukora
okay twine doctor kandi umunyabiragiro umwami Amon Arho nuwe twatayisa ikire cha TV Tom program yakadara tuganira hanshonga zo bwesharingo bwona and more likely bitwasa kurwo kwesharingo ngo gwara natugambira government yatandishe ku respondinga and kirebeka response positive abukwa kwe batandishe koreka go sente zaboneka we hope for better kugira ngo bundi na icyo kifubire cyo yabataho kubinga amanyabantu akangata doctor icyo kintangaza ahoko it was a very total contradiction ongwiro mutusima bashawa bakora and you are sacking them now ngeje kibabe bakore cyo kugira ngo intern doctors bataha bari mu marwaro what was going to be its implication ahoko bahatwe bambinga nibiza kumuhereza license yo gukora bushaho ikintu kimanyisa kirigare ahoko twareba Dr. President wa Uganda Medical Association Samuel Oredo yaje ngo babaye batebekanise na court injunction yabo yo kuza kutabaza hate kibenjiza kumanja cyabo kwa twarebera already uri yashomera imyaka 5 ya jeje Karubazo arukushashureze sente zibagamba zona hatari yo mwirwara bukushabe kinte cyakuteka ngo kiryo mu bushoborozi bwe bamujyana mu mwiroko mutahe was it not going to be a very big humiliation to and another thing is Korea agenda ataka tunje license yo gukora ucaho hate kibenjiza kumanyisa ki iwakireba ngo mushaho kandi aside ndizo nko munyabiragira
we bari munonga of course by interns bine federation yabo Federation of Uganda Medical Interns bine federation yabo bari organized under one federation kandi iyo federation twareba iteka erikwikiriza union ninga abantu professionals abari organized ku Rwanda rubugabe bwabo nkabashaho been right to industrial action been baba aggrieved baba batari satisfied na n'ubuhereza uva kufuna nkaba interns kandi been that union yabo registered been ubugabe ku kwesharinga nko kubayemba kora so rigaro mu mateka been ubugabe kandi kikiri nkibasa gukora nicyo kureba barebere ba lawyers babo aba CHAD Center for Human Rights and Development Center for Health Human Rights and Development bahandikira Ministry of Health ngu mwagezaho mukabinga ba interns mu mazu gabo tuza kubatwara mu court baba hebiro bibiri statement yakozwe Director General wa Health Service Henry Mwevesa Mweve reversed ahabukuba nkaba interns through their federation binobgabe to industrial action so cyite cyo bakora mu mateka kikire icyo kwesharinga bukuba bari united kandi omu unity yabo binobgabe kwesharinga especially baba rya grieved
then icyo kubabinga hata icyo benchiza kumanyisa ngo umuntu yagaruka cyaro kwinga kibe kitachengi baba tukachengi
implication yo kubabinga nengere icyo kibe government no manya bakatandika kwesharinga ibiro mukaga bya November hati baba maro kwezi kurenga kumwe besharinge so government was not forthcoming even bagambira ngo sente zivyo mu pipeline konka engineer her message ya government kwiha directive ya president mu 2019 so ba interns bazirengwa directive ya president kabo 2019 turi mu 2021 harabaho two cohorts za interns turaguma tutyo katugume umkwesharinga despite the fact ngo barumba tugira ngo sente za supplementary budget ya passingirwe because nkareba chairman wa health committee Dr. Yumar kuja muri supplementary committee has been passed ngo ba interns bagaruke batandike kora but sente zikaza takuza account so ba maintaining a status yabo ya strike despite even na government kwandika ngo buri intana garakambura mugo ati implication cyamenyeza kubaho kuno jangu ba interns zabo bakargaha mirimo yabo bagenda bakambaza ko batamara umwaka gwabo gwo bakubemba kora gwa internship so meaning bakabatakubasa ku registeringa na Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council kaba doctor so bakamba guma ba doctor batine license ku practicing gwa doctor mu Uganda yeah because mbaba taheza umwaka gumwe gwa internship hati nicyo kinani ngambe cya solidarity na nukwatanisa hati government yikane manyangu yabagambire ecyo mbakutina ningo mwe manya ngubo kuba yarjyamirimo yabo ne kufuna abakwenda gukora intern bingi already hari abari prepared kuza gukora intern konka nabo nture nabo bahandike barha mutuba kuza kutandika gukora internship yona bariya ba seniors babo issues zabo zitakavire addressed so ijo niyo solidarity inani ngambo kugira ngo ba intern abarumba gukora intern n'abarumba kutandika gukora intern mbakwatanisa abakuza kutandika gukora intern bajya ngo turatandike na numwabinje bariya icyo turatandike kandi ba intern mbakora umurimo wa mani buri rwaro ryono waze buri rwaro ryono banimbaro baninka umuntu ukubanzaho a casualty ya emergency unit ni intern kandi shanga huwenka mubi abari suppose kuba nakora under supervision na guidance uko mumushanga wenka so sincerely with honesty itabarakoze ro mu marwaro umurimo gwa ba intern n'ubutugumanya baba tari mu health care system
so you can guarantee tine kibenchiza kuvaska
nkibasika mu health care system yitu ya Uganda
maybe we are going to import doctors from Cuba or amuko nonge chibuza nabo nkigira ngo ware makushashura intano basa expert
no to utakubasa expert ware mwe mutwaro miliyoni 2 n'cheka
so ane twine omwami ariho amon kandi tino tuganira nsonga zo kwesharinga obwabashaho okugenda mbisho mu ihanga ibintu mwabinde bikurugayo bikatumanyisa omunsi yo naza bikatumanyisa kubi akwa waresende zigumbushomanguzi buri mwaka ukaza kuroka ro umuntu oshomere emyaka engahe nasha abasingizinga zirinke zitaroho hati notandika okwebuuza otu priorities z'ihanga zo niziba ziri ziha Dr. twineho ebintu ebyokurebekana ati nka hati ijo tukagira abantu bakandi besharinga manya iki United States yakozire manya kugira abantu abyatahe nataha ba general nankana nanka kikachitagwire kikachigwire you know it's against manya human rights manya barabarguto bagenda je you know ezo videos been saturating social media nyuma bakugeza ku comparing some of them abantu bakabareba nka social rumpens just kwemerera ukegwisira ro no mba bene bagamba torumu you are not concerned. There was like protection very peaceful barga baza US embassy, and this time we have organized people abinorsa abukwikirizwa constitution kwesharinga konga abamwe babakwasire babakoma muringo mbi abandi babajura imyenda. So I mean, what is all this? Nichi ebintu banimanyisa kino manisha bokutinisiza ninga why abantu abari mu buteka kugira ngo baza kwikirizwa kwesharinga because tuba kwikirizwa and nyenshaka no zakureba atwara umuntu it happened sometime back ubwire bwa IGP General Kayihura aro byabashimiza mu court nosha some people protested ahead ya court ibintu mabiri mu history. You know, ebyo kwano tekateko tabati bakachikora they can do it.
Yeah.
Kongabo kwano ujuta no it is okay constitutional they can't even make a step. Why?
Yeah, you know, nchirigira interest ya government sincerely nechobsasi United States of America ekataho economic sanctions against the Director General wa CMI kanduho abantu ba protestinga baza ha American embassy baba protected bagenda konka ba doctor under the umbrella ya Uganda Medical Association, a legal entity registered as a trade union and a labor union kubagerezeho kutambura kuza parliament ku poreka enakuyabo no kushasha kwabo baba kwata baba tera baba tumchome. So hatino yebuza why protect aba kugenda kuza American embassy bakufa ngo America kutaho economic sanctions zine effecta sovereignty na independence ya Uganda na nabadukta nabo kugira ngo bari organize to baha chance nabo bakagenda expressing disappointment yabo ninga okwetombita kwabo on parliament abo kwa parliament niye kora byona niye ku passing eza supplementary budget niye kora appropriation yesente niye kora ibintu ebyo ebikubasa kuretaho akesharingo kaho nambwe pia passing supplementary budget yo kuzombashaho nico kurebera hate sente za ka Ministry of Health aba intern bona bakufune sente zabo kandi ubuteka bwaza kutaha
arho na nico kugira ngo Ministry of Health egiye nyine rukurakinga abashobora batakumara yet medical doctors there who should be employed kongano reba rwe kwasetura twine sente zikumara nabagamba ngo bakagaruza billion 9. Is that real?
Yeah, sincere, yeah, it's true. Ministry of Health noreva questioning kwa Uganda Medical Association abantu bambateka emphasis na criticism a Director General omwami Dr. Mwebesa Henry twareba capacity ya ba doctors abakora mu marwaro no only 40%. Amarwaro gitu gari ginabashaho 40% out of 100 abashime kwa bini kunka twine ba doctor bingi batine mirumo. So 60% netabwa kandi yo one of the demand ya Uganda Medical Association kugira mbu ba recruiting abashaho buri health center 4 even health center 3 hagombora
kandi baba
yes kandi tureba esente nzigarurwa omu treasury nka 80 billion zakubenza recruiting abashaho so hatu no yebuza esente kaziruho abakini zigaruko mu treasury kandi abashaho baruho tubine mirimo and they are not being recruited capacity between 40 out of 100 abantu kumwe mwa following speech ninga address ya president wa Uganda Medical Association yanagamba ntuferwa abakazi 10 buri zonka Uganda abakufa bakuzara tuferwa abana 20 buri zonka Uganda ibimbiretwa ahabuku bure ibintu byo kukosa na no kubura abashaho kandi tureba twina abashaho batine mirumo turebe sente nzirgo Ministry of Health nzigarko Treasury ezakubenza recruiting abashaho so nho ibambagira ngo Ministry of Health tema mani abukuba niyo controlling ibyamagara bya Uganda kandi yine mandate na no mu recruitinga abashaho so niyo demand ya Uganda Medical Association kugira ngo bongere kwemerwa abashaho bongere kubaha ibyo kosa then babase kucendeza aha death rate abantu tukuremba bafaburi izoba average ri abakazi 16 bakufa bakuzara mu Uganda abana 20 bakufa buri izoba twatubigizere abashaho bingi bafunde mirumo kandi tufunde byo kosa ombwire eji average number ya 16 ne basa kucendera oshanga yaza hansi 10 ninga hansi ya 5 abuko munsi ezine ebinte ebyizi nabashaho noshanga buri izoba takufana ngo n'umukazomo waza munsi nka ezabazungu na no mu Africa nka South Africa noshanga mu izoba baferwa umukazo yet South Africa nensi mpango munongera kukira Uganda konka health care system yabo high guru konka ni to Uganda we can work progressively tubasa gukora ku recruiting abashaho reno shange nitwe ejejo mortality yabakaza bakuzara yacendera kuruga ahari 16 yaza hansi 10 so ejo ni mandate ya really Ministry of Health nicyo kurebera abashaho bari aggrieved n'ubusasi abako Ministry of Health tekore byashimye kuba nekora kandi icyo busasi bwingi no kurenga negariza yo sente muzabure kizakora kandi yakubene hemirimo abashaha bandi
program yitwa Nakadara cyagenda mission ndiza bantuhendera sha 5 twabure dakika 10 mu studio twinemo mwana roho Amon umunyabiragiro kandi umushaho washomire byombi kandi urukubigambo from both perspectives ko muntu bikozere how can we guarantee ngo banyuma yo kutereza bintebi abashano babasa aka arabo kudojinga mirumo noreba kimwe mbagamba ijo kareba Dr. Dana na wakagamba ya emotional kugira ngo abashaho tubakora manyana bafutandika kubagira maya okizemba bafutandika ku monitoringa bata mushashura ubu wakora manya arwiki cyona icyo basa guarantee ngo kugira ngo sente zayiyongera abashaho ko abashaho bingene bagamba kugira ngo bina maklinika gabo so tubacereza bwire amarwaru ga government nabayene attachment aho konga ikintu cyona cyagira cyayetagisa umurwiro kuba yine haka sente na muyayo na mutwaro weye ngwene ubwe ikizubune sente really ninga even the will nayo termo
webari mnonga Vincent necyamazuma abashaha bingi bina marwaro gabo ga private konka reason niba kuhaninga iba ku advancing no kugira ngo esente ziba kubaho mu government tuzukumara mwareba president wa Uganda Medical Association ari kugira ngo abashaho tuba kibasa no kutwara abana babo mu mashomero agabazire babatwiremo nkato mushaho yanamanyisa ngo omuzire weye kiyako yamutwire ntare hatuwe nko mushaho takibasa school fees ya ntare ahabwe sente ziba kubahereza so tumo mushaho yagenda yatandika clinic so abashaho commitment yabo no kugira ngo baba bahire sentes nibaza kuha 100% attention to government health facilities kandi icyo kibasa gukorwa through their employment contracts no manya nabagize ntini nkora n'ikitongoro cy'Rwanda rubwa bw'abashaho n'ubwa barwiri abo kuba abashaho n'ababwiro bwa buri balanced then health care system leverage so atumushaho bamuha ecyakwenda ecyakushaba then nawe 100% ashemeye kuha first priority government health facility yakora nayo abase kureba abarwire umushaha yashimye kubona abareberamu atabasigireho kuzo mu private health facility abo kuba hati ecakushaba mbavacu muhereza so cyo kuba narondo mu private clinic nkiba kitakiruho abo kuba nanakifuna aha mu mugwi so na have guidelines ninga mu employment contract nkiba incorporated kugira ngo ushime kubona ukora kwiho wirobo kusyo wirobo short of which abo kuba abarwire bino ubugabe bwabo nabo konka twakuza kuvuga mu court no enforcing ubugabe bwo mu rwire umushahagira tubuzuma na gloves zitaruho na nico kosa cya kitaruho nagize nko kunkubasa konka ibi bintu byo nabyaviruho ato mushaho natakine defense ninga excuse ndizo yone yo kuhereza
Aksharaho nabone kirunyi ngatu wa providing then you know ba blaming and just can't have it kabyarebekire abo nchi mutakoresha but right now they are right abo kuba ariho omombe bene bagamba zirati abandi bantu bakutega ngo umucaho nawo n'umuntu nk'abandi kongagiro yashobora imbere yiba kurabamo ati wacera uri umushaho wakafuna yaterese ati nyenda zizanye zero uyo no zakutambura kuruga kuzahari to watunga breakfast ahirwaro bakubara ngo cherry you are not assured of lunch ochapanje senzo in a run road ebintu byona byabikwetoreye do you really concentrate on the patient ngabo gukora surgery kushemeza umuntu
no sincere to kubasa concentrating abarwire mfite bakoze mu health facilities kuko akigambo ko ushanga bashaho bamwe batakwiza gukora batinira aba circles ninga vayibireho kubashanga amerumo kandi no mechi kumanyiso mushaho izaba banka bamushamba mukwatira facility ari kuragurira so nico kibagerezo kushaba esente zirireyo kugira ngo ibi byona ibitahano bitakubaha comfort ninge bitambi bateganisa umukwereza ubuhereza bwabo nkabashaho biryo then hati nitwe itaba ku ruhande bw'abarwire tutandike kuba taking on where need be because esente mbazukwa medical supplies ruho so hati what defense ningo inishonga ki why you can't provide the best health care to abarwire.
Yes, Dr. wagira ngo nokora n'ikitongore cy'u Rwanda rubugaye bw'abarwire hamwe n'abashaho and this is very interesting. Arabantu abaferirwe abantu babo ati nka family kushanga yaferirwe umushaho umwana wabo bamushomesa yaheza yatandika gukora inabagwira mu covid nabajyaho na hati no shanga umushaho yasigira umukazi n'abana ninga shubundi yasigirishe na nyine tine kararebekire. Do you also handle such things like kugeza aho kwenda ku following ubuntu ko bukurwa government abuko if somebody dies on in line of duty and then there is nothing like response coming?
Yeah, we were mnonga. Actually, we are working hand in hand. Kitongole chite cha enforcement of patients and health workers' rights. We are working hand in hand with these professional associations, Zabasha, Allied Health Professional Council, Nurses and Midwifery Council, and Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council. Kurebongu abashaho bona bafire in line of duty because bakamba hereza ubuhereza ba contracting a COVID bath. So they should be compensated. Even chimwe za demands za Uganda Medical Association no kugira ngo buri mushaho wenu wafire ombire bwa COVID. Family ebe compensated. And plans were underway. Echintaka confirm whether as the centers are released but as a medical interns. Konkana yo plan roho abashaho bakaba identified bona aba Allied Health, aba Nursing and Midwifery Council, aba Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council. So bakaba identified and the government is doing its best munegeza kubasa kurengo ya compensating abashahaba bukuba baka form line of duty kuri cyabe kitari cyo kuhereza maybe bakamba batakuza kufa konka government is working on it and indeed kuko wachigambire president akaba so appreciative ahabashaho kibakozere na mnonga umbwiro bwa covid. So sincerely plans are underway ababantu mbaza kuba compensated.
Okay, Dr. Julian tugenda ntumaririza abo kubwire witubura hari munonga bo kuhendera turukusaminga apo akagambo kawe kamuhira hambere egera munegendo misho mwihanga. Your concluding remark in relation to our topic.
My concluding remarks no kugira ngo I appreciate ninsima solidarity y'abashaho jebireho kandi yeresere government ya respondinga na sente za Rebecca. Solidarity ya Uganda Medical Association, solidarity ya Uganda Dental Association, solidarity ya Pharmaceutical Society of Uganda, solidarity ya allied health professionals, nurses and midwifery. No manya bashaho been so many unions depending on the cadres. So this fight everumu Uganda Medical Association majoring and our interns. Konkat other unions zabashaho zona zize za joining a hand. And we are seeing the solidarity na union yababona erumuneleta prayers zabo. Government ku responding eti nabwa solidarity. So ni appreciating a solidarity kan kuko wachigambire when you're united then definitely demand zanyu nzurwa nvazibahereza. So ni shaba abashaho bona bakabaturire in your different unions or associations, work out solidarity mechanism or partnership mechanism kugira ngo mbe bamwe nkiro kutabe turi tukati ni Uganda Medical Workers Union twena splitting into several factions ba pharmacist bazumi yabo ba dentist yabo ba konkani njira. It's high time we came back together despite having independent factions tugarike tugiremwe erikutureta twena kugira ngo twaba twine demand ebe yutu twena kabashaho itakabe aba doctor bonka itakabe aba nurse bonka itakabe aba allied health professionals bonka. So ni nsima solidarity ji kandi ni mpamya yabegumireho then nshonga zabashaho zakuba addressed.
Wachigambo ni juke cyo kugira ngo wahwira abashaho kuba abantu batandika abanase bajyana bito bitwikizana ejini obani yodvide and ati mwera muri yombi y'amagara muragurira abantu ekigenderwa ni kimwe kutambira abantu kongara umusiyo bwire ori ajya ati tube twabwire nanka turaganise iki aba joining aho ebitu. So hado shanga abantu bakoye barukumi babegisire babigana bugira ngo abantu bajyanwe ito bitu biriki. So mwenu ekiyanagamba n'icyo kugira ngo mwamura hamwe mbamwinira karahango irakarahango n'urubana ruhurwaje kucira agamara kamachake kubana bagambira hanso ahandi ikiganiro cyitwa turiyo tureba abwesharingo ubu and we hope for the best abo kuba wabanoreba this time hati kigiye kugira ngo ekimwaye mwagambe cyo kubinga medical interns gorwomaje mu kiheyo ushashure nebi aho naho abakwana bas and yet wanoreba mukarako of seriousness ncho anoreba Dr. Samuel Redo president wa Uganda Medical Association na buzana yang who is fooling who president we kubambugina ajateki mu kibaye mubahina n'imotoka mutagiye mushoro hatkonka oreba biremere nawo icyo tutengade yango bitebe kubakuto mu nkora kandi abashaho babasa kwija kuba batacesharinga ubundi tuye tureba abana konga ndushaba ngo ibyo nabiyaho Dr. Amona roho tukusima bari mnonga kwijabo bwire bwawe na no kubanito program eji iwope yona iwabo sebonyabo ayiwanu rebera program eji akadara twebaza we bari mnonga gumanito ya TV West twendeze birungi bandume covid roho tekarigireho cyo kureba tujire masks kandi imbaze kiruho neiza ngende mu muserukwenduareji ya COVID-19 ukabana uri abashanka ba Dr. Stephen Anthony Fauci ukugambana bagira ngo cyango munonga no bwe hanengera kwijama nyahiza mu Omicron nebindi bayangushikuru no kwesirikisa iwabo sirikirwe de beta uko narebe nagamba mutwikirize siburaha abo kireki program akadara twagenderaha tubendeze kurara kurungi tuzakurebana nimwe izobe ya Nyensakare mukama barinde.